Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the OPV Spotlight eyeshadow palette. This is their newest release and I believe it was released last week. This palette is very different compared to their previous palettes from the packaging and to the eyeshadow selection. This is an 18 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for 29 British pounds and it's $38.43 US dollars. I do have an affiliate code with OPV that is makeup in all caps. This code will save you 10% off your purchase. The packaging is a cardboard palette with the magnetic closure and it also includes a good quality mirror. This palette has a mixture of mattes and shimmers. Out of the 18 eyeshadows, there are 7 mattes and 11 shimmers. Let me know if you agree with me, but this palette reminds me so much of the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Not only the layout of the palette, but also a lot of colors are very similar. So when I did my swatches, out of the 7 mattes, one of them was very sheer. That shade is called Edge. The shade was literally very sheer when I had to swatch it. I had to swatch it maybe over 5 times to show up like the rest of the shades did. For the rest of the mattes, they were opaque and blended smoothly. For the shimmers, out of the 11 shades, 2 were a bit sheer as well. These were Exhibit and Up Lighting. So overall, I feel that OPV's palettes keep getting better. I will have to say that this one is one of my favorites from their brand. I like the color story and overall the performance of the eyeshadows. I also did notice that the palette performed better when using brushes instead of just swatching them. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.